Hello, welcome to Future View Podcast. I'm your host, Obi, and we're still on the series AI Product Managers. We're still on the series AI Product Managers, how to get as many people as possible ready to become AI Product Manager. AI is changing the way we work. AI is changing a lot of things. It's not gonna take our job. The jobs will change. So as long as you're standing in the queue and learning and reskilling or updating yourself, you're not going to be left out. AI is not going to take your job. It's the people that knows how to use AI to do their job that will take your job if you're not doing the same. So I encourage you to like, subscribe, put on your notification to remember to be reminded when these videos drop. And please share with your friends, share with your neighbors, friend, anyone, so that we get as many people as possible ready, especially in Africa. We want to make sure that people are carried along. And this is the fourth video on the series, the fourth module. And today we'll be looking at how to build AI product manager portfolio. You don't have any experience, no problem. You're on the right spot. I started as a product manager a long time ago and started from nothing. It's all about being strategic, dedication, knowing what you want, and doing it right. So we're going to be looking at how to build a portfolio, something to show that you have done something for people to listen to you in the first place. AI product manager, how to build portfolio. So portfolio it's not casting stone. It's about having the opportunity to do something. And that's what we do. In AI for Africa think tank, we create opportunities for people to develop themselves. Some people call it internship, but our own is a practical one. We develop portfolios in the sense of giving our mentees, our trainees briefs to go and develop with real life data and real life problems to solve with international mentors, experts all over the world to guide you on what's possible. So this is where we are. So we go into this. Once again, please like, subscribe, and comment so we know we are doing the right thing and we're guiding you in the right. If you have some question, please ask in the comment and we'll solve that. So side projects are gold. I'll start with that. I'll say that side projects are gold. Especially when you're starting from beginning, when you don't have any experience. Side project. So work on small AI related project. Like I said, we provide that AI for Africa think tank. These don't have to comply to be complex in any way. Even simple ideas can show your problem solving skills and your AI understanding. It sometimes can develop to something meaningful, something big. But the aim is for you to practice. The aim is for you to understand how it works. So you don't go in a board meeting or speaking to a client or your employer or your fellow startups and you don't have any clue what's going on. So start a side project. If you don't have one, drop in the comment and we admit you, try to provide one for you or two just to build. So the next step is to document your journey. Write about your project, what you learned, how you approach these challenges. This shows your thought process. I teach my mentees and my learners what we call STAR technique. STAR technique is how to write technical reports. So you did a project, how do you put it down to show you know what you did? STAR is as in STAR. S in that STAR means situation. What's the brief? What were you asked to do? T is the task. So a manager comes to you saying they are having this problem. That's the situation. And then you speak to them, you have that meeting up back and forth with them, and then you decide on what you want to solve. You agree on the deliverables. In project, that's what it's called, deliverables. Those are the tasks. And that's the T in S. A is the activities, what you did, how you went about doing what you have to do, gathering the data or speaking to colleagues to know what they know where the data is or where the information is, where the tools we start with are there, other requirements that you need to put into place. What are the activities from A to B? What do you actually do? And then the R in the star is the result. Normally, when people are asked to write a report, they jump into the R, the result. So they say, this my manager said this, and this is what I did. This one is very nice. No, you need to take people on a journey. That's the start. What is the situation? What is the task you agreed with people to deliver? And what did you do in that period of time to deliver the result, which is the last one? Don't jump to the last, the R. So that's the journey, documenting your journey. We're talking about, we coach people on how to do this better. Another aspect how to build your portfolio is you can be a volunteer or intern in a company or in an organization, non-profit organization. You can be an intern. Look for opportunities to contribute to AI projects in non-profit or startups. Even unpaid work can provide valuable experience. We like pay, but sometimes you have to do a little bit of sacrifice. I believe that your pay, your influence, your whatever increase will be even better and easier come to you when you're serving. So set out to serve in order to build your portfolio, and the rest will come. Please don't comment if you need us to, work with you in doing that. We do that a lot in AI for Africa think tank, especially for our African communities. But then we can affect anyone, anywhere in the world. It's a remote program we do. So, volunteer or intern in an organization. Another step is to showcase your skills. Use platforms like LinkedIn or sample personal website to display your projects and learnings. Talk about it. Blow your own trumpet. Show off what you've done. Don't sit on it. Don't hide on it. No, there's no wrong or right answer. People can always learn from what you've learned. Or if not, to give you some hints on how to do what you've done better. So there's no need to hide what you've done or sit on it. If you don't say it, nobody knows about it. And social media adverts is so cheap now because social media makes it easier to put what you've done out there. Yeah, so talk about it on your LinkedIn profile. If you don't have one, create one. It's time to create. It's time to get there. Your business card, your everything now, your CV is your social media platforms. Make it clean, make it better. And when you add this project you're doing on it, it makes it more rich. So try as much as possible to get it out there. It's not used if you just write a beautiful document your beautiful journey on projects you've done and nobody knows about it until you pass your CV. No, people search on social media every day to see what's happening. Be on there. Let you be the first they will find. A lot of businesses have gone through millions and millions of dollars have gone through because of the right kind of information on social media. Be one of them. And we can help you to do that. Just put up your comment and let us see how we can work together to get you up to speed. So this is how to build your portfolio. These initial steps. I always try not to surpass the time. Our mark is maximum 10 minutes on each module. But I can't stop without giving you a relatable example. So you could create a project where you are an AI, where you use AI tool to analyze social media sentiment for local business. For a local business, it can be free, it can be volunteer. Say, I want to do this for you. They allow you to use their social media account to do this sentiment analysis. Or you design a hypothetical AI feature for an existing app and explain its benefits. The key is to demonstrate your thinking, how you're thinking, your thinking process. Yeah? So these are very, very easy to do. Like I say, we do that a lot in AI for Africa think tank. We used to help a lot of people work around their project, develop their portfolio. So please share, comment, and make sure you subscribe and put on your notification so that you don't miss any video. And if you comment and we come back to you with answers, if you require us to admit you into our think tank, We try to help as many people as possible. The next cohort is coming soon. But we want to get as many people as possible ready for the future of work. Product managers, not projects, sorry. Product managers are very important because a lot of tools are going to be developed. They're already being developed. Be in the forefront of what's happening in AI world. And you don't need to be technical savvy to be or a programmer to be part of what is happening. This is why we're focusing on these kind of topics. AI, human collaboration, not just about the programmers. Programmers, they're quite important as well, but a lot will have to happen between AI and human beings that does not require technical skill. AI can code a lot as well. So position yourself to be in this space. Thank you once again for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, put on your notification, and I will see you in next video. Hope you're enjoying yourself. Bye.